I just want to give you a little overview over the new Dell Inspiron 14-inch. It just arrived today, and yeah, I like it. It's really lightweight, about 1.2 kilogram, and the overall quality is pretty nice. But the package it comes with is just poor. It was just inside here. No fancy shit like Apple, but it's okay. Here are the connections. It's Thunderbolt 3, HDMI, and micro SD slot. And over here you can see a little LED light for the battery charge. On the other side we have two USB-A. It's 3.1 I think, and a headphone jack. Plop. That's my old laptop. For a little comparison, the difference are insane. It's so much lighter and smaller. Yeah, that's a 7-inch laptop. So the reason why I put this here is because I wanted to show you the hinge. So you can open it with one hand. It can easily open, and here you can see the hinge is lifting the laptop a little bit up for a better typing experience. The keyboard quality is really nice. I can type really fast with it, and the hub feels really good. I didn't turn it on yet, so I just tried it dry. Here we get the touchpad. The size of it is really good. It's huge, and clicking feels good as well. Here we got the power button. In the power button you got the fingerprint sensor. The bezels of the laptop are really thin, and the camera is on top here. So it's a good body to screen ratio. Yeah, that's it. It's the 10th gen of the new Intel processors. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for my bad English and the heavy German accent. But hey, just enjoy. Bye bye. Happy holidays, and subscribe to check my full review soon. Micro SD slot. Ooh, shit.